Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine columns in Excel with formulas. So here what we have several columns with names of people and their title. So the first name, their family name. It's all in different columns. We want to combine everything into only one column for convenience. So how are we going to do that with formulas? I'm going to show you two ways to do that, and I'm going to give you the file. It's going to be available right below the video. So this way you can check the formulas and reuse them directly and improve on them. So don't forget to download the file right below. First way we can combine everything. We can use the simplest way to combine values is to use the symbol AND. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, for example, I'm going to use the first value and I'm going to add a space and I'm going to add the second value. So what it's going to do is going to take the title Mr., then a space, then and Clara, and so on. We can do it with actually any number of names we want to. Oops, I have to add the family name. We can do it with any number we want, and we can choose whatever we want to put in between. So here I'm going to put a space, but you can put whatever you want. So this is the easiest way to do it. The problem with that is it's not very optimal. We have to write the character AND each time and to put the space each time, so it's a bit, so for like 2 or 3 columns that's okay, but if you have a large number of columns, it's going to be a problem for you. The other problem is, for example, so we can just drag the formula everywhere and it's going to work for the whole line. The problem is, let's say for example we don't have the first name of someone and it's going to show a little bit, or let's say we just have the last name of the person. It's going to be a bit weird because we don't well, before it's going to be empty, but we're still going to have the 2 spaces here, so it's going to look a little bit weird. So another function we can use is text join, which does kind of the same thing, but with in a smarter way. So first we have to choose the delimiter. So here it's going to be the space. We can choose to ignore empty. So if we don't have the cell, which we don't put the delimiter. Okay, so here for example we're not going to have spaces in front of Burns because we don't need them, and then we can choose the different columns that we want. So the way it works is a bit the same, but it's going to be a bit smarter when we have exceptions. So here for example, when we underline for Mr. or Mrs. Burns, I don't remember, we don't add we don't add spaces. Okay, here for example, if I don't have the first name, you know, it's just going to be smart about it and not add unnecessary delimiters. So it's going to be better for the number of space you're going to see. Yeah, so that's going to allow, and I've done it for three columns, but you can do it for any number of columns you want. It's going to work exactly the same way, even on a big table. So I hope it's going to help you better display your data into single columns. You can download the file with all the formulas right below the video. I'm going to put the link. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll get notified as soon as I publish it. See you tomorrow, guys. Ciao.